Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys my son's birthday party setup. It is his birthday. I can't believe he is 9 years old. I mean, he is growing so fast. All three of my kids are growing so fast. It is unbelievable. So for his birthday party, he asked for a Goku birthday party. I don't know who Goku is. I had to go on Google. I had to consult Google like I do for many things. And Google gave me an idea. I just know the colors are like orange and blue. And my son is into a character called Ultra Instinct. So I don't, somehow Ultra Instinct is when this guy right here turns into, his hair turns white. So we have that. And this thing right here, my balloon stand, if you guys haven't checked out my video to see how I made this using PVC pipe, make sure you check that out. I always keep PVC pipe on hand in case I need to make a backdrop stand or a balloon stand at the last minute. And before I continue, everything I did for this party, I had at home. I did not, I purchased only one thing, and I'll show you guys the one thing that I did purchase for this party. But majority of these things are from the Dollar Tree or already had. So this party pretty much cost me next to nothing. All right, so let's get started on what I did. So this guy right here, I made him, you guys, like for the first time. I wanted to try and use my cutting machine to make a large type centerpiece or backdrop because there's not that many actually Goku, Dragon Ball Z, I guess that's the name of the cartoon. There's not that many party decorations for this character. So I went ahead and taught myself how to make this, and he's approximately, I would say about close to 3.5 feet tall. So I made him. I think my son's gonna be very impressed because this was no joke. You know, like for my first time, I think it came out pretty well. I mean, there are some cut lines that, you know, you can kind of see, but you know, I guess when I get a little better at it, I'll figure it out. But again, I like doing this, and then just to kind of make him a little bit taller, I added, you know, the balloons at the bottom. So when my son first comes down, he'll see him first. Then I have the banner I just made. It says Super Saiyan Cairo and his age 9, which he just turned. And let's get to the rest of the area. We have the table setting right here. I got my Dollar Tree plastic tablecloth. I have my white chair covers that I pretty much use for everything. So I already had these along with my orange chair sashes. Actually, you guys, these aren't even chair sashes. What? These are, I think they're table runners. No, these are chair sashes. I'm sorry. These are chair sashes. And I use one here as a runner. And another thing, I tried to find some orange party supplies at the store. You guys, I guess with it being so close to Halloween, I can't find orange anything. The closest I could find for anything orange were these balloons that you guys see around here. But other than that, like, there's nothing orange available in September. All right, now I have my Dollar Tree blue plates because I was going to get like the blue plates and kind of put the orange ones inside. But again, my store did not have any, and there were hardly any online, even on Amazon. All right, so next I have my balloons. So I was able to get some orange balloons. This thing right here, it has something, my husband said it's something to do about a Dragon Ball Z. You guys, I have no idea. I went on Google, saw some images, and said, you know what? I'm going to try and duplicate it, and I hope my son knows what it is. So I gave it a go. Here's my little centerpiece. I wanted to make him bigger, but I was doing this at around like 6 o'clock a.m. this morning. Guys, literally, I threw this whole thing together at 6 a.m. this morning. So it's not the greatest job, but I think my son will be happy, especially since, you know, we can't really have any guests over because the time that it is right now with everything going on. So we're just going to do just the 5 of us and celebrate and all that good stuff. But I got my balloon stands right here. You guys, these balloon stands save the day because if I didn't have these balloons to kind of fill up this area, then it will look pretty much like nothing. So I got my balloon stands, and these are 2 different ones. These right here actually hold, I think, like 7 balloons, and then I had the single ones right here. And here, this right here is actually a balloon stand. Now I like these things because I just didn't add a balloon to this one like I did here. Here I just added my centerpiece. So you can actually just do that as well. So not only are they good for balloons, they're also good for centerpiece stands. Quick, easy. I just, slapped it on, and it is double-sided. All right, moving along. I wanted to kind of fill the room up a bit because, again, there weren't that many decorations available in this theme. So just to kind of fill up the room a bit, I just have balloons just like hanging from the ceiling. So, like this. Now, I know my kids, all they're going to do is just come and try and just punch these balloons. So, I'm not even quite sure why I did it this way. But, let them have some fun. All right, so next we have on the walls, again, it's that Dragon Ball Z balls. I'm not even sure, again, what they do. Something about you mix them together, like 6 or 7 of them, and it creates a dragon. I don't know. I'm such a girl. All right, so we have, some more balloons hanging from the ceiling. And then this is the only thing that I purchased for this theme, was this backdrop right here. So it has all the characters, I'm assuming, but yeah, this is the only thing that I purchased. Oh, you know what? I forgot to turn this on. All right, you guys, so like I said, there's not that much orange available, so I'm using my orange. You guys can tell right here, I'm using my orange Halloween lights, and I just kind of draped the top of the backdrop just to kind of add a little bit more. Because this backdrop isn't that wide, I just threw up my chair sash, just on the sides, just to kind of hide the black pole. So it's all good. And what else is next? Oh, I have my uplights. It's supposed to be blue and orange, but my uplights don't have orange on them. I think you have to set some type of code in order to get it. I want to just press a button and get the color that I want. So right now we're just going to go with blue and red because it kind of looks orange to me anyway. All right, so we have my uplights, and I have 4 of them, those 2 over there. And this one is supposed to be on. Not sure what happened. There you go. And I'll change that one to blue in a second. And what else? Oh, lastly, we have my balloon stand right here. Again, I threw this together in about 10-15 minutes with my PVC pipe. I love this stuff because it's so versatile. And I'm trying to do the whole, like, you know how you see like the professional balloon stands where like it goes like in the column and wraps around. So yeah, this is my first attempt at it. Forgive the top because I don't know what to do at the top of this thing. But my son is not going to care at all. He's just going to be super impressed that mommy was able to create a balloon stand in his birthday party themed colors. So I will take pictures and add them to here. Maybe his reaction to him seeing everything. But again, this was done like 2 hours of me just trying to hurry up and get things together because my son wakes up super early, and I wanted to kind of have something for him. And I wanted to kind of make I want to make this day extra special for him. All right, so that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you're interested, oh, did you guys just see that? All right, so I gotta see. This is what happens when you try to plan a party in only a few hours prior. So I'm gonna take care of that. I'm gonna get everything back up. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care, everybody.
Wow! It's amazing! Big one, big one, big one!
How you like it, boo?
This is Kyle's birthday! What is this massive?
Cairo, how do you like it, everything?
It looks fabulous.
Are you sure?
Mommy? Ow, ow. Oh.
Do you like your tall Goku? Remember you were asking me, Mommy, what are you doing? Remember I was making something? Wait. We're gonna wait because we're gonna wait till we're gonna go put some icing on the cake and sing happy birthday. How do you? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cairo. Happy birthday to you.